Cozy clothes, no commute, working from your couch, or just some of the joys from working at home. But data shows burnout is still at an all-time high. Locally, Macy County's Safer at Home Level Red limits office space to 10% of capacity, so remote work is encouraged. But research conducted by a virtual service provider shows homebound employees are logging 3 more hours per day, and people are struggling to disconnect. And so 69% of employees are experiencing burnout symptoms. That's according to online employment platform Monster. Some symptoms of burnout include high blood pressure, cognitive decline, and depression. So psychologists recommend setting up a similar routine to what your work life was in the office. That includes working the same hours and at the end of the day, turning off your electronics. Psychologists also recommend taking a day off.
People are taking less vacation time and time off due to the fact that many people have decided not to travel. So I really encourage people to use their PTO, use their time off and vacation time in order to recharge.
Now, psychologists also say to talk with your supervisor or reach out for professional help if your burnout becomes unmanageable alone.